All right, here's my digital notebook. Title is The Influence of Rapid AI Advancements on Education and the Readiness and Challenges Faced by Malaysian Student Teachers. Through this project, I realized that AI in education is not just about using new tools, but about understanding how learning should actually happen. So for my point one, it's philosophy, AI, and thinking. AI shifts learning from memorizing to thinking. Teachers guide on AI supports. Well, educational philosophy reminds us that learning is more than memorizing information. AI can help students think, explore ideas, and learn independently, but teachers are still important as guides who shape understanding and values. Moving on to the next point, Western versus Eastern thinking, or Western versus Eastern perspectives. Now, in Western, they have creativity, questioning, independence as their highlight, as their priority. And for the Eastern, they value or they prioritize discipline, values, and respect. And what we noticed from the problem is that Malaysian education needs balance. Well, to elaborate it any further, Western thinking encourages creativity, questioning, and independence, like I said earlier, which fits well with AI-based learning, while Eastern thinking focuses on discipline, respect, and moral development. In the Malaysian context, education cannot depend on only one approach. We need a balance between innovation and strong values. That is what I perceive through the forum that I've just conducted with my group, with my team. It's quite a complex topic, but it's very much needed to be approached because this is what we're facing right now on our ongoing current situation. So moving on to the point three, which is AI in Malaysian education system. Sorry, there's a typo there. AI supports digital and personalized learning, must align with local culture and ethics. Teachers' readiness remains a challenge. So, to explain that, in Malaysia, AI supports digital and personalized learning, especially in diverse classrooms. However, AI must be used ethically and responsibly. One major challenge is that not all teachers are equally ready or confident in using AI effectively. Uh, that's it. And for my final point, which is probably one of the most important points out of the reflection that I'm conducting, that I'm analyzing, is the point four, which is policies and curriculum in AI context, which has the aspects of NEP, MAEB, KSSM, and CFR. Now, when we look at the national education philosophy, the goal is to develop holistic individuals, um, intellectually, emotionally, spiritually, and socially. AI can support intellectual growth, but it cannot replace human values or moral guidance. The Malaysian Education Blueprint, or the MEB, focuses on preparing students with 21st century skills, such as critical thinking and digital literacy. AI supports this, but only when teachers know how to integrate it properly. KSSM encourages higher order thinking skills where students analyze, evaluate, and create. AI can assist this process, but over reliance may weaken independent thinking. That is the current problem with Malaysian education system right now, is that its students are over relying on AI. And for the final um, aspect, which is the CEFR. CEFR emphasizes real communication in language learning, while AI tools help with practice. Teachers must ensure students to actually communicate and express ideas on their own. So CFR is probably one of the most important standards in terms of English language or English learning in this world, because it standardizes based off Europe, and it standardizes how fluent you are in speaking, as you know, as English as a communication tool. So that pretty much it is the most important aspect of out of all of these four aspects. So to close it, overall, this project helped me understand uh, that AI should support education and not replace teachers. It should be the assistants of teachers, but not the replacement for teachers because but how far by how advanced and far it is, it's still not human. And you need human touch in order to give to other humans. This project helped me understand basically that AI should support education, not replace teachers. What I said earlier, and philosophy plays an important role in keeping education meaningful and human. Like what I said earlier, it's the human touch that's the most important thing. So that's all for me. Thank you very much. That is my digital note or scrapbook.